I'm Taryn, and I nominated the New Start Community Garden. The New Start Community Garden is a nonprofit teaching garden in Burien, Washington. Our overall goal is to improve the food security in our community. Our garden is about 1.6 acres. About an acre of it is a community pea patch program, and then we've got another half acre plus of botanical gardens. We started out as a school garden, and we still work with at-risk high school youth. Right next door in White Center, we've got a tremendous amount of different cultures. If you walk through our pea patch program areas, you can see different cultures growing different foods from their different traditions. I think we're increasingly known for our classes that we offer. Pretty much every weekend we have free gardening and cooking classes. Everything from how to install your own drip irrigation system to collecting rainwater to composting. We have a whole series on cultural cooking. In our school garden area, we use volunteers and students to grow culturally relevant crops for the food bank partner that we have in the White Center Food Bank. The students, when they start the school, their attendance rate's only 31%, but when we get them in our garden program, we get it up over 90%. It can make a huge difference for some of these kids, and we see them coming back years later with their parents to show them the tree that they planted during the program, which is pretty exciting. We see the kids who are initially in our program afraid to eat anything green. By the end of the program, they're making their own herb salts, and they're making a salad that they grew themselves. One of the kids in our summer programs, he saw a cucumber growing, and he said, "Boy, that looks like a pickle." We explained that, yeah, that's where pickles come from. And mind was blown. Those are the moments that really keep us going, and it's pretty special to see the difference it can make in a few weeks with these kids.